Hey there, in this video I will show you how to mix songs on Spotify. Now make sure you have created your playlist and set up your playlist. I will leave a link on the description section to know how to set your playlist. Now here, to mix your song, now here what you do now is to tap on your profile icon here or click on it. Now here what you do now is to click on settings and privacy here. Now here you can see playback. Now click on playback like this, tap on it. Now here what you do now is here, make sure you set your crossfade here like this to 8 seconds. You can see here, make sure you set it to 8 seconds. You can see now here, make sure your auto mix is on like this, make sure the toggle is on, and also make sure you turn the select playback on here. You see now here I've set it up. Now let's test the music. I will fast forward it to avoid copyright. Here go to your playlist like this by clicking on home or tap on your home here. Now here go to your playlist. Now here select the music you want to play here. Now you can see, let me fast forward it to avoid copyright issue. Now let's know how it will switch to another music here. We at war. We at war with terrorists. Now you can also set this by clicking this icon here and select this for the AI to automatically switch player. Now here, go back here and start enjoying mixed songs on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section here on the screen, and also in the description section is where you can find how to enable Lossless and also find how to mix playlists on Spotify. Now see you on the next video. Peace.